Guys, I'm set to leave. It's more.
He was holding me to the right, but I will be looking for me. All the while, I leave my feelings. Still wanna try, still believe it. Good days, always inside. Good living in my mind. Hold me on my fears, my lips.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah.
Guys, I'm set to leave. It's morning and this is almost 6 or 5:30 thereabout, and there's no light, so I'm just trying to use my power bank to brighten up my face a little bit. So I'm actually waiting for my Uber ride. So once it comes, and then I'll be leaving. Okay, like I said, I'm going to carry you guys through this whole trip along with me. My box is packed. If you've watched the video so far, you notice that I changed my luggage because I was giving heart attack yesterday, but that is fine anyway. It was fixed. So we're going to leave.
Now everybody go to breakfast. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I take one by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you the talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devil. That the Baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. I need people and shadow. 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 I did what I got when then kill Sovoma. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Kilo fait on my tête, chocolate, fine, no bucket, watch your love for like it, why not more, your body, chocolate, bush it ready, yeah, imade, topado, sile, kilo fait, why now, my lady, that you waiting there, your body, I'm a damn easy, baby, and you want to give me control, if you want to get out, I'ma make up my eye, I'ma need that can you, I go my eye.
Hey guys, so I just got here. I'm so tired, so tired. Lagos people are stressful, god, and I don't get joy at all. So I ordered for a ride. We got to my park, so I ordered for a ride because I told you guys I was going to bake because I had orders I was going with. So one of the customers that ordered for a cake decided to pick up at my arrival. So while I was waiting for her to come, I ordered for my ride. We were thinking it's gonna take time, and I told the rider to just give me 5 seconds, maybe 10 seconds of his time, so I can deliver my goods. Guys, they left me behind, and before I could get another ride that could bring me to where I'm coming to, it was hell. Anyway, I'm at the hotel. I'm actually waiting for my friend. And I remember I told you guys that I'll be meeting few Lagos YouTuber and we're gonna be creating some content for you guys. Okay, so oh my word. So anticipate for that, and I'm going to be meeting a lot. Let's say about 5 or 6 YouTubers, Lagos YouTubers, and we're going to be creating some content. All right. So for now, guys, I need to rest. I need to freshen up. I need to eat, and I also need to clean up my face. It just got a luggage. So I got a box. I think you've also heard about it. I got a box because when I got to GIG, I told you guys there's always a first time in everyone's life. So it's my first time in Lagos, and I can't wait to have fun and experience the entire life of Lagos, the whole hype. But I experienced traffic today anyway, but that is fine. That is welcome to Lagos State. So for now, this is your girl. Your girl is Lagos. The girl is Lagos. So who is in Lagos? You come take me out and let's ball. Alright guys, so for now, bye, and then see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe because more vlog will be coming your way. Okay, and do let me know in the comment section what you want me to do with my fellow Lagos YouTubers on my channel. Feel free to drop it. Bye. So please, if you should tell me, is this still wardrobe? Is this how your wardrobe should look like? Alex, all the hype in Lagos. So yeah, come and defend yourself.
Another banger. Make a call, make a bong, 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 make a call, make a keep at the bong, 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 your body, kakara, make a bong, 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 on a make it. Kilo fe, I'm a dead chocolate, fine, fine, oh, bucket, watch your love for like it, why not more, your body, chocolate, bush it ready, yeah, in my day, double dose, kilo fe, why now, my lady, tell me what's in your body, I'm a damn easy, baby, and you want to give me control, even want to get out, I'm a make up my you, I'm a need to can you, I go my you, I'm a need to can you, do maybe, I don't money days, do maybe don't go carry belly, do maybe, like one of me see, yeah, come see, yeah, baby, make a call, make a bong, 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 make a call, make a keep at the bong, 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 your body, chakara, make a bong, 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 on a make it, chakara, bong, 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 chakara, fine girl, make it over there, do fine boy like this, so if I hear say want I go vex. Okini nafia, okini baby, okini let me, plenty money, okini nafia, okini baby.
And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I'm second checking with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed.